Okay, this one might be one of those that looks more insane than it is, but if you don't fear heights, one can try this for a couple $100. Ever since 1920, people have been wing walking on planes. Luckily, you are strapped to a vertical chair. Austria's sky ladder spans 140 feet between two peaks. It's a test of balance and agility, with only a couple of cables standing between you and a 2,296-foot drop into the gorge below. Definitely beats waiting for the elevator to go up to the 53rd floor, but it's not acrophobia friendly. This swing in China won a Guinness World Record for being the most spine-tingling swing on the planet, and it's not hard to see why. If you look down while on the swing, you would see a massive 2,200-foot drop, but considering you are moving at 80 miles per hour, probably hard to see. In Charlotte, Carolina, a man spotted a large crack in a roller coaster that caused the park to be immediately shut down.
Statement to ABC News, Carowin says it is not uncommon to discover slight weld indications.
The Wansheng theme park in China, whose theme seems to be death, has sky-high attractions ranging from a 500-foot high gap bridge to one of the most terrifying swings in the world. And to make things worse, the park has been closed several times for not passing safety inspections. Apparently, this place is hell on earth. This gas crater in Turkmenistan has been burning since 1971, with temperature reaching extreme levels is 1800 degrees. This attraction was baptized Doorway to Hell. In a park in California, there is a ride that consists of a large circle of swings that rises 300 feet in the air and then swirls. And well, for some unlucky visitors, it malfunctioned and they stayed up there for 3 hours until they were able to make the ride work again.
300 feet up for 4 excruciating hours.
I'll tell you, the first hour was pretty rocky.
As day turned into night, she actually started to relax.
I got to see a sunset.
Saudi Arabia spent $746 million on a water theme park, and some of the rides are terrifying. With more shark encounters than a Hollywood blockbuster, New Smyrna Beach is like stepping into a real-life Jaws movie. This beach in Florida is single-handedly responsible for 23% of the entire world shark attacks in 2021, and it was ranked the most dangerous beach in America. Ironically, it has around 500,000 visitors a year. This is a love ladder in Fuji Mountains called Stairway to Heaven because if you fall you go straight to heaven. Actually, there is some clear netting below the stairs to catch you if you were to fall, but that doesn't stop people from getting wobbly legs when looking down. When you are riding down a carnival attraction, the last thing you want to see are some loose screws.
Let me just tighten that up there. Alright, we're good.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.